Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this amazing stuffed bell peppers. Guys, this recipe is to die for and it's ready in less than 30 minutes. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So for this recipe, you'll need to have your bell pepper with the top cut off and the seeds removed. You need some cooked ground beef, some cooked rice, tomato sauce, some cooked bacon, shredded mozzarella cheese, jalapeño, habanero for some heat, and some parsley. Go ahead and add some salt and pepper to taste, and that's all you need, guys. That's all you need for this recipe. So go ahead and give everything a really good mix to make sure it's perfectly combined, and once that is done, it's time to stuff the peppers. So using a spatula, I stuffed my peppers with the stuffing, making sure to get as much of the stuffing as I could possibly get into the pepper, but try not to overfill it, because remember, when you cook, the pepper is going to shrink a little bit. You don't want that stuffing to spill over. So once I had everything in there just the way I wanted, I went ahead and topped my pepper with some extra shredded mozzarella cheese. Guys, you know I love me my cheese. And I placed my pepper into this really cute Top Z air fryer basket. Guys, today I'm cooking with my Top Z air fryer, and this air fryer is so cute. It is so cute. If you want to get one for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So today I'm cooking at 370 degrees for about 10 minutes, but make sure you keep checking it because you don't want it to get burnt. So after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. So golden, so beautiful. I added some extra parsley just because, and it was time to dive right in. Guys, I'm telling you, for such an easy and quick recipe, this is packed full of unbelievable flavors. Amazing. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this was your first time on my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and guys, like and share this video and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.